Meet the B-2 Spirit, a warplane like no other, designed for the most critical high-risk missions. Crafted by Northrop Grumman, the B-2 first took to the skies back in 1989. Fast forward to 2025, and it's still one of the most formidable aircraft on the planet. What sets it apart? Its cutting-edge stealth technology. Enemy radar systems struggle to spot the B-2, making it a game-changer in today's battles. Modern conflicts are packed with advanced air defenses. Old bombers just can't keep up. The B-2 slips past these threats, flying deep into hostile territory with ease. It strikes its targets and vanishes, redefining what's possible in aerial warfare. Its tailless flying wing design is instantly recognizable. There's nothing else like it in the sky. This unique shape, combined with radar-absorbent materials, keeps it nearly invisible. Even its engines are tucked inside the wings, cutting down its heat signature. Heat-seeking missiles have a tough time locking on to this elusive bomber. The B-2 is a phantom, slipping through the fog of war, unseen and unheard. It's more than just a bomber, it's a symbol of American air dominance. The B-2 stands for a leap forward in both technology and military strategy. Its stealthy reach is especially crucial in complex regions like Yemen. It can strike targets that are out of reach for most, giving commanders new options. The B-2's capabilities can shift the entire course of a conflict. Its blend of stealth and precision makes it absolutely essential. In a world full of advanced threats, the B-2 stands in a league of its own. Just knowing the B-2 is out there can force enemies to rethink their plans. It's a force multiplier, shaping the battlefield before the first bomb drops. The B-2's legacy is built on doing what no other aircraft can. It's a marvel of modern engineering, silent, invisible, and unmatched. The B-2 Spirit redefines air power for a new era. Older bombers like the B-52 Stratofortress are legendary workhorses. They've served for decades, carrying huge bomb loads and surviving tough missions. But they lack stealth. Enemy radar spots them from miles away. The B-2 Spirit is a different breed. Its design is all about invisibility. Older bombers have tails, big bodies and exposed engines, perfect for radar to spot. The B-2's smooth, blended surfaces scatter or absorb radar waves. Another key difference is the crew. A B-52 needs 5 crew members. The B-2 needs just 2 thanks to advanced automation. This lets the crew focus on the mission, even on flights lasting over 30 hours. The B-2 can fly higher and farther, carrying both conventional and nuclear weapons. It's a true strategic asset. Old bombers needed escorts, fighters to protect them from enemy jets. The B-2 often flies alone, deep and unseen. The B-2's stealth means it can go where others can't. It doesn't need a squadron of support. Its technology allows for solo missions into the most dangerous airspace. The B-2's edge is clear, fewer people, more automation, and unmatched stealth. It's a leap forward from the bombers of the past. In today's world, that difference is everything. The B-2 redefines what a bomber can do. It's not just about dropping bombs, it's about changing the rules. The B-2's design and mission set it apart from the old guard. It's the future flying today. The B-2 is the ultimate evolution of the bomber. In modern warfare, information and invisibility are everything. The B-2 bomber was built for this reality. It can operate in heavily defended airspace, where other planes would be shot down. Anti-aircraft systems are smarter, radars more powerful, and missiles faster than ever. Countries spend billions on integrated air defense networks. For a normal plane, these are death traps. But the B-2's stealth breaks the chain. If radar can't see the B-2, it can't target or shoot it down. This lets the B-2 strike critical targets, command centers, missile sites, deep inside enemy territory. Taking out these targets can cripple an enemy and shorten wars. Stealth isn't just about being sneaky, it's about gaining a strategic edge. The B-2 enables surprise attacks and reduces risks to pilots and planes. It makes once impossible missions possible. The B-2 can hold any target at risk, anywhere, anytime. This power shapes how countries think about war. The B-2's presence forces enemies to rethink their defenses. It's a constant threat, always lurking. The B-2's edge is its ability to operate where others can't. It's a tool for modern conflict, precise, powerful, and unpredictable. The B-2 changes the game in every war it enters. In today's battles, stealth is survival. The B-2 proves that invisibility is the ultimate advantage. It's not just a bomber, it's a strategic weapon. The B-2's edge is unmatched in the skies. Yemen's war is long and brutal, with many groups fighting for control. The Houthi movement holds much of the country, including the capital. A coalition has intervened, and the crisis is massive. Yemen's terrain, mountains and deserts, makes ground battles slow and difficult. Controlling the skies is vital. Air power lets forces strike remote or well-defended targets, support ground troops, and disrupt enemy supply lines. In Yemen, air power has been used for bombing and reconnaissance by all sides. The Houthis have adapted, using guerrilla tactics and hiding among civilians. This makes targeting extremely challenging. Here's where the B-2 could be key. For precise strikes against hidden targets or leadership deep in Houthi territory, stealth is crucial. The B-2 minimizes risk and maximizes effectiveness. Air power used carefully can shape the conflict, but precision is essential to avoid civilian harm. The B-2's ability to strike undetected is a game changer. It brings options that didn't exist before. In Yemen's complex war, that matters. The B-2's role is about precision, not just power. It's a tool for careful, decisive action. In Yemen's skies, the B-2 Spirit is a new and secretive force. Its missions are classified, but its impact is clear. B-2s fly from distant bases, refueling in the air, and reach Yemen unseen. They target high-value assets, leadership bunkers, missile sites, and hidden depots. These are targets too dangerous or remote for other planes. The B-2's stealth allows it to get close and deliver precision strikes. B-2s carry large, precision-guided bombs, able to destroy hardened or underground facilities. Accuracy is vital in Yemen, where civilians are at risk. The goal: hit the enemy, not innocents. The B-2's capabilities support this aim. The psychological impact is huge. Houthi leaders know they're never truly safe. This pressure disrupts their operations and forces them to move constantly. The B-2 is a silent, ever-present threat. It changes how the enemy thinks and acts. The B-2's presence alone can shift the balance. The B-2's past missions show its power. In 1999, B-2s flew from Missouri to Serbia, striking defended targets for weeks without loss. This debut proved stealth's value in real war. After 9/11, B-2s flew some of the longest bombing missions ever, targeting Al-Qaeda and Taliban leaders in Afghanistan. They opened the door for other forces. In Libya, 2011, B-2s destroyed air defenses and paved the way for coalition aircraft. The B-2 always goes in first, against the toughest threats. In Yemen, these capabilities are vital. The B-2 can penetrate Houthi-controlled areas, even with hidden anti-aircraft weapons. It delivers powerful bombs with pinpoint accuracy, hitting a building in a city or a cave in a mountain. Few aircraft can match this surgical precision. The B-2's record proves it's up to the task. In every conflict, the B-2 sets the standard for what's possible. Its mission capabilities are unmatched. The B-2's arrival in Yemen changes the conflict. Houthi forces rely on hiding and moving, blending with civilians and using rugged terrain. The B-2 can watch and strike even when they think they're safe. This forces Houthis to change tactics, dispersing forces, risking effectiveness. Constant fear of attack wears them down and affects morale. The B-2 gives planners new options, strikes deep inside hostile territory or with massive bunker busters. It can remove key leaders or destroy critical infrastructure. This can degrade Houthi capabilities and pressure their leadership. The B-2's use could open doors for political solutions or shift the balance on the ground. The B-2 isn't a magic solution. War is complex, especially in Yemen. But it's a powerful tool that changes the equation. Its presence alone forces the enemy to adapt. The B-2's strategic impact is felt far beyond the battlefield. It's a weapon of influence as much as destruction. The B-2 shapes the conflict in ways few others can. In Yemen, the B-2 is a true game changer. Its legacy is being written right now. Even in 2025, the B-2 Spirit is an aging but vital aircraft. It served for over 3 decades, but new air defenses are always emerging. Will the B-2 stay relevant? For now, yes. Its range, payload and stealth remain unmatched. Only about 20 B-2s exist, each a valuable asset. The Air Force plans to keep them flying into the 2030s with upgrades and new weapons. But a successor is coming, the B-21 Raider. The B-21 will have even more advanced stealth and technology. It's designed for future threats and will eventually replace the B-2. The first B-21s are already flying. The B-2's legacy is secure. It proved stealth could dominate modern war and set the standard for long-range strike. Lessons from the B-2 directly shaped the B-21's design. The B-2's days are numbered, but its influence will last. Its shadow stretches far into the future. The B-2 spirit changed the world, and its story isn't over yet.